Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kamara. If you don't know who I am a performing artist and I also work as a bookkeeper, tax preparer, and I'm in school to be an accountant. So this video is going to be a little different. We all know that tax season is coming up, so I just want to get you guys prepared for taxes. So if you own your own business, preferably an LLC, this video is for you. So stay tuned. I'm going to be talking about the things that you need in order to be successful this tax season with no hiccups, okay? So stay tuned. The main thing I've encountered, and I'm sure a lot of other tax preparers and bookkeepers encounter the same thing, are new businesses coming to you with their bookkeeping looking a hot mess or just non-existent at all. So in this video, I'm going to show you the steps that you need or the documents that you need in order to be successful in filing your Schedule C on your tax return. Remember that your Schedule C is the profit and loss that your business went through throughout the year. So all your business revenues and all your business expenses will be put on a Schedule C if you have a limited liability company or if you are a sole proprietor. So a few things that you need in order to be ready. I said ready for your taxes are: one, you're gonna need all the revenues or all the money that your business made, just period. We need to see it. Like what kind of money was it looking like? Two, if you had inventories or if your business sells anything, for example, if you sell lip gloss, cars, calendars, cupcakes, whatever. So if you have inventory, that's something else that you need documentation of. Also, this is a really big one. You're gonna need receipts, because how are we gonna know? I mean, you can say one thing and take all your fancy pictures, but put on for the gram, but what's really going on? Can we see the proof, the source documents? So you're gonna need all your receipts and records. And if you have mileage, you're gonna need documents of that, as well as if you have a home office, you're gonna need the square footage of your home as well as a percentage of your utilities and insurance. So boom, let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and do a sample company, and we're just gonna do a small, simple profit and loss, nothing too hard, just so you can see as a business owner of what to expect and what you need to have ready for your tax preparer. Also, comment below if you want me to do other business formations like nonprofits, C Corps, S Corps, etc. Let me know. The business owner that we're going to be working with today is Starlita. Now, Starlita, she is very ambitious, and she came from humble beginnings. She currently works at Amazon, and she just decided back in 2020 that she was tired of scanning packages and she just wanted to level up her life. So she decided to start her business back in 2020 in December. And she decided to create her own hair business called Star Tresses. So fast forward to 2021, Star Tresses is making all this money. So she is creating her P&L for me to do her taxes today. All right, so we got Star Tresses P&L for 2021. So the first thing you want to start with your P&L is your revenues. How much money did you make throughout the year? Revenues. So for her sales revenue, Starlita generated $60K. So she made $60,000 in selling hair. Starlita is making money. So from there, you're going to take out your discounts, sales discounts. And this is all the money that you discounted your customers or had your little sales throughout the year and on Black Friday and all that. So you want to take out your sales discount. And let's just say that was $4,000. This is sales revenue, sales rev, sales discount. Take that out. And you also want to take out the returns and allowances. So all the returns that people try to send back, or just the loss, or they're just like, oh, my hair, I don't like this one. You know, sometimes it's a little, the girls are a little shady. So we're going to take out that 3K. Let's just say it's 3K. Boom. Then you're going to total all that up. So you 60, take out that 4,000, take out the 3,000, and that gives you net sales of, somebody give me the answer, 53K. Ooh, you smart. So net sales of 53,000. From there, since Starlita is a merchandise company and Star Tresses sells hair, we're going to do our cost of goods sold. So cost of goods sold, and let's just go ahead and compute this so you can see how to tally your cost of goods sold. So let's say Starlita spent $40,000. She started with beginning inventory of $40,000. Then she said, you know what? I want to sell actual wigs too, where you like put the wig cap on and put the clip-ins in too. So she paid $5,000 for all those little pieces. So that's going to be purchases. And cost of goods sold is like everything that you spend to get ready to sell your product. So in order to get the cost of goods sold, you go beginning inventory, add your purchases, and you want to take out your ending inventory. So it's December, and it looks like Starlita and Star Tresses has $8,000 worth of inventory. So you want to take that out. And this is ending inventory. So take that out, and that gives us what? Cost of goods sold, 37K. Somebody is smart in answering all the questions. Boom. So this 37,000 is going to be taken out of net sales. That's how much we spent to get everything together. So I'm going to go ahead and erase this equation. Move the 37 up. Boom. Cost of goods sold. Take out 37,000. Bada boom, bada bing. From there, we're going to calculate our operating expenses. Oh, you guessed it. You smart, you smart, you smart. Operating expenses. Okay, great. And these are expenses that are going to be on the Schedule C, just a few. So rent expense. Starlita does not rent out a building, and she does not use any kind of place that she goes to package her hair and everything. She doesn't even have an home office. So rent expense is going to be 0. Utilities. Again, Starlita doesn't have a home office or anything like that. So we're going to say her utilities are at a 0. Contract labor. So who knows what that is? Contract labor, Starlita and Star Tresses, they hired 2 girls to be models for the hair that she's selling. And she paid them $600 a piece. So let's say she paid them $1,200 in total. So right now, let's move this over. Right now, she not looking too bad on the expenses. So contract labor is when you like outsource, hire somebody to do some work in your business. So moving forward, we're going to put advertising. Now, Starlita, she's starting out with her business. So she said, you know what? I'm about to go ahead and buy me some Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and shoot, I'm about to get an ad on the radio. So she went ahead and paid $2,000 for her advertising. Moving forward, office supplies. So in this case, at Star Tresses, they have these cute little packagings that they send out to the girls with the flyers and everything. And it's all packaged all nicely and everything. But Starlita, she got a little deal. She got a little boo in the post office. So they be giving her a discount. So let's just say her office supplies are $400. Boom. Moving forward. Starlita, being where she from and knowing that she started her new business, she said, let me get some insurance because I just can't risk it. So she decided to pay $500 for insurance on her hair and her inventory, just period. Moving forward, legal and professional fees. So Starlita got somebody to do her taxes and estimated taxes and bookkeeping throughout the year. Not bookkeeping, I'm sorry. She got somebody to do her taxes for the low. So since she was a new business, they only charged her $500. So legal and professional fees, and that's if you like pay an accountant, pay a lawyer, whatever. Moving forward, let's just add all of these up for now. And these are all categories on the Schedule C. They're all not listed here, but these are some of the main categories. So with that all totaled together, that gives us what, $4,600, and we're gonna take that out of the cost of goods sold too. Boom. Moving forward. Oh, I forgot my other parentheses. So moving forward, we're going to also add other income and expenses. This is also a line item on the Schedule C. We got a little limited space, so it's a little sloppy. Other income and expenses. Boom. So Starlita at Star Tresses, she gives the girls an option to pay for their hair in increments, installments of 4. So just say you got a wig and you can't pay for the whole thing right now, and you can pay in installments. So she has an accounts receivable, and if people don't pay on their product, or if they pay late, she gets interest income. Interest revenue. And let's just say that's going to be $300 from the girls. And then interest expense. And this is the money that she paid to her creditors, because Starlita is trying to get some leverage out here in the business world. So she got a little credit going, and her current liabilities, interest expense is only going to be $200 this year. And we're going to take that out of the $300. So that leaves us with $100 and total other income and expenses of $100. So we're going to add that. Boom. Moving forward, net sales. This from all the money that she brought in from selling the hair. Then you're going to take out her cost of goods sold, $37K, take out operating expense, and then we have a net of other income and expenses of $100. So that gives us net income before, let's just say before taxes, because we ain't paid the taxes yet now. So net income before taxes, that's going to be, who knows the answer? $4,700. Okay, not bad, Starlita. That's not a loss. That's good, right? So she didn't make that much, but she made something. So this is the type of P&L, just a small example of what you want to give your tax preparer or have everything ready for tax season. when you do your Schedule C, so everything can go smoothly. You won't be waiting in line because you don't have your things together. Now, some things I would advise for Starlita as an accountant would be to maybe not give that much of a discount. If this were her revenue looking like, I probably wouldn't have given that much of a discount for the girls. Maybe you should do a little less. Also, I probably would advise her to maybe find a better or discounted vendor for her hair, because she spent a lot of money to get everything ready. Just imagine if there was like a 12 or something. So I also would advise her to get a home office or a place where she could do her business, because that's something that you can write off on your taxes as well, right? Home office deduction. So going forward, Star Tresses and Starlita is going to be ready for their P&L and to file their taxes on time, because they have everything organized. They're going to have every dollar accounted for. So if you're still watching, I hope this helps you in your business. I will be doing more videos here soon. Comment below if you're interested or what you would like to see. Thank you so much. Bye.